Whole Food Market at Stevens Creek Blvd, Cupertino. Sterling, that's the road. Whole Food Market.
Turn left.
Okay. Whole Food Market. Let's go to the back. Okay, on this side, I see a few of them. Here's another entrance to the Whole Food. The back probably easier for you. You just go in from here. So here, go this way. There's a bunch of cars. So now it's 6 minutes remaining. I'm going to stop it. Okay. So that's done. So the problem is unplugging this a little bit tough. How do you take it out? It's not easy. Okay, push this up and in and wiggle. Huh. It says, why is it so hard? I don't understand it. I don't know. Maybe hold the camera. I can't now unplug it. Well, there's a switch here. I'm not sure how to. Okay, I'm going to press in hard. That doesn't work. Okay, is this position towards you? That may work. Gee. Hey, okay, so you have to push it in all the way in order to pull it this back. Why did they find this? Oh, yeah. You push this all the way, this lever will go down. Will unlatch it. Oh, this probably is the other kind. It doesn't look like mine. So this is a BMW i3?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me try the other one for you. So you really have to back the car facing different direction.
Yeah.
Is it long enough this? I think so, probably.
No, I don't think.
Yeah, it will work. Yes.
I don't think it is.
It is. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Ian. So you just need a call? Okay. So I have to go somewhere else.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Uh-huh.